What if I told you AI video generation is about to level up? Again. Not a small update, not a minor tweak, but something that could completely redefine how creators tell stories with AI. Seedance 2.0 is coming soon, and the early signals across the internet, they're pointing to something big. Today, we're breaking down everything publicly known so far, what creators are expecting next, and why Seedance 2.0 might set a completely new bar for AI storytelling. Let's dive in. Who is Higgsfield? Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies right now. Their mission? Simple, to become the most creator-friendly AI platform in the world. And now, they're preparing to release Seedance 2.0. But here's the important part. The specifications are not officially confirmed yet. Everything we're discussing is based on public sources, early previews, community discussions, and demo clips circulating online as of February 2026. Features may evolve before launch, but even with that disclaimer, the expectations are wild. Multimodal input mixing. Let's start with what might be the biggest upgrade: multimodal input mixing. Early reports suggest support for up to 12 mixed files at once. Think about that. You could upload a character image, a dance reference video, background music, ambient audio, a text prompt, all at the same time, and the model understands how they work together. Instead of just typing, "make a girl dancing in the rain," you could actually provide the character, the choreography, the soundtrack, the mood, the lighting direction, and the system blends everything into one cohesive output. If this works the way it sounds, this isn't just text to video anymore. It's full creative orchestration. Native audio plus video generation. Another major signal: native audio-visual generation. Instead of generating silent video first and adding sound later in editing, Seedance 2.0 appears to generate audio and visuals simultaneously. That means footsteps match walking speed, ambient sounds shift with the environment, music flows naturally with motion. This eliminates layers of post-production work. For creators, that's not just convenience, that's workflow transformation. In-model editing. Now this one could be massive. Prompt-based editing. Instead of regenerating an entire clip, you might be able to type, "change the background to sunset," "replace the outfit with a red jacket," "extend the scene by 5 seconds," without starting from zero. If true, this dramatically reduces iteration time, which means more experiments, more creativity, less waiting. And that matters. Quality and speed improvements. Let's talk performance. Early signals suggest 1080p output, around 30% faster generation compared to Seedance 1.5 Pro, improved textures, more cinematic lighting, better color accuracy. But speed is just as important as quality. Because in 2026, AI video isn't just about realism, it's about efficiency. The faster you can iterate, the faster you can create. Advanced motion synthesis. Motion has always been the hardest part of AI video. But reports indicate that Seedance V2 motion synthesis powers 5 to 12-second clips with smooth athletic movement. Expect fluid choreography, natural gestures, physically believable transitions, not robotic, not jittery, but cinematic. Character consistency breakthrough. This might be the most important upgrade of all: character consistency. One of the biggest problems in AI video: faces change, clothes shift, accessories disappear. But early demo clips suggest Seedance 2.0 locks in facial features, outfits, small design details across multiple shots. For storytelling, that's everything. Because without consistency, you don't have narrative. Multi-shot storytelling. Another emerging theme: multi-shot storytelling. Generate narrative sequences that flow naturally between scenes. Lighting adjusts contextually. Characters maintain identity. The story progresses logically, almost like professional editing, but automated. If this is real, we're looking at AI that understands story structure, not just visuals. Community buzz. Now let's talk about the internet. On X, on Reddit, across creator communities, the recurring themes are consistent. Cinematic quality, next level motion, CapCut Seedance integration possibilities, free Seedance access? The buzz feels organic, and when hype aligns across multiple platforms, it usually means something significant is coming. Workflow demo explanation. Let's imagine the workflow on Higgsfield. Upload your character image. Add a reference motion clip. Include background music. Enter your prompt. Generate. If multimodal mixing, editing, and audio generation are fully integrated, this becomes one of the most streamlined AI video workflows available. Bigger picture. AI video evolution.
I like balance.
Let's zoom out. AI video has evolved rapidly. From simple text-to-video experiments to Seedance 1.0 to 1.5 Pro improvements in quality and speed. And now potentially, Seedance 2.0.
I like flow.
Each upgrade solved real creator problems. Motion stability, resolution, workflow speed,
like
consistency. Seedance 2.0 appears to combine all of that and push further. Final build-up. So here's the real question. Is Seedance 2.0 just hype? Or is this the next major inflection point in AI storytelling? Based on early signals, it might genuinely raise the bar. If you're serious about AI video in 2026, this is one to watch closely. Early access is expected soon. If signups open, you'll want to be ready. This could be the moment AI video shifts from experimental to cinematic. Stay tuned.